Agriculture. Key IELTS vocabulary for Band 6.5. Agriculture is a crucial word for IELTS learners, especially if you're aiming for a band score of 6.5 or higher. This term frequently appears in both the reading and writing sections of the test, so understanding it well can give you an edge. Let's explore this important word in detail. Word type. Agriculture is a noun. Meaning, agriculture refers to the science, art, or practice of cultivating the soil, producing crops, and raising livestock. It also includes the preparation and marketing of the resulting products. In simpler terms, it's all about farming and the business of farming. Word history. The word agriculture has its roots in Latin. It comes from the Latin word agricultura, which is made up of two parts: ager, meaning field, and cultura, meaning cultivation or growing. This origin reflects the core concept of working the land to produce food. Antonyms. While agriculture doesn't have direct opposites, some related contrasting terms include industry, urbanization, and wilderness. Synonyms. Some synonyms for agriculture include farming, husbandry, cultivation, and agronomy. Examples used in sentences. Here are 3 sentences demonstrating how to use agriculture in context. 1. The country's economy heavily relies on agriculture, with crops like wheat and rice being major exports. 2. Sustainable agriculture practices are becoming increasingly important as we face climate change challenges. 3. Many universities offer degrees in agriculture, covering topics from soil science to livestock management. Common errors in use. A common mistake is confusing agriculture with horticulture. While agriculture covers all aspects of farming, including large-scale crop production and animal husbandry, horticulture specifically focuses on garden cultivation and management. Another error is using agriculture when referring to a single farm or farmer. Remember, agriculture typically describes the broader industry or practice. To wrap up, agriculture is a fundamental concept in many IELTS topics related to the environment, economy, and global issues. Understanding its meaning, usage, and related terms will help you discuss these subjects more confidently and accurately in your IELTS exam. Remember to practice using this word in your own sentences to become more comfortable with it. Good luck with your IELTS preparation!